To solve this hacker question of Python here, the question is if given an integer n, perform the following condition section. If n is odd, then print weird. If n is even and inclusive, like the range between 2 and 5, then print not weird. Same as if it's between the value of n between 6 to 20, then again print weird and it's more than 20. Along with even number, then print not weird. So in this question, I just have to use only if condition. First, I will solve this. It's a simple if n is odd, then print even. So n not equals to 0, then print weird elif, then n is even, so 2 double equals to 0, and here it, and in the inclusive range 2 to 5, here I can also write like this. 2 to 5 means 2 to 6, so last word it's n minus 1. So but while in comparison, it just show here, it's just show the range but not, it will not compare. So here I just have to write n greater than 2, which means n equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, more than 2, and n less than equals to 5. Here n should be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, but 1 it will not show because here another condition is 2, so it lies between 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not weird. So again, the third is the Aleph. Here I just simply copy paste the first one because it's almost similar. N is even, so it's here, and range is 6 to 10. So I just write 6, greater than 6, and less than 20. Here I will print weird. Then again, N is even and greater than 20. Then print not weird. Yeah, done. Yeah, it's done.